Alright, this part 3 of the recliner. Hope I can get it everything done that I need to do here. Getting the bolts and all back in it. Now see if I can knock this piece out. Now I get light to see where I need it. We'll be alright. I had a DeWalt headband light, but somebody decided they wanted it more than I did. So that's the only thing I hate about people. You know, I understand people need help. I need help from time to time too. But you know, don't steal my tools.
First house off of the long dirt road off of Highway 38.
Main thing is don't get excited. Keep working with it. Don't let it get the best of you. Now if I can find all my bolts, nuts, washers. But I do appreciate everybody supporting my channel. The people that I've sent stickers to: Brad at the Firewood at the Furnace, Old Guy Firewood, Firewood on the Hill. There's a few others I got stickers planned to send to here soon. Carolina Tractor Works. I do sell stickers. I do sell my stickers. I got them in sizes from 11, 12 by 12, all the way down to a 2 by 2. They're on a diamond.
Thank you.
Carolina Tractor. Hello, Carolina Tractor. Don't you just love these spam calls? Trying to save the insurance.
Road. Correct. Wilder Road West. It's going to be the first house on a long dirt road off of Highway 38 North. Address is 1652 Highway 38 North, 1652. 5-6 minutes out. 10-4.
Oh, good thing I brought some extra nuts and bolts in here. Y'all bear with me, I'm over here getting some bolts. Another bolt and nut off my table over here. I can put it in that third brace. Nah, I ain't tightened everything up yet. Everything's just hand tight. I'm trying to get everything lined back up. You know. There we go. Going to get her working pretty good. But to get back what I was saying, people, I appreciate the support, everybody of the channel and everything. I'm trying to grow just like everybody else is. I do everything. I work on my own furniture. I work on my own refrigerators and stuff to a point that, you know, once it gets beyond my know-how, yes, I'll give it to somebody, turn it over to somebody else. But as it stands right now, it's wet around here. We're really not going to be able to do nothing the next few days. I got some land clearing jobs coming up. Also got some more house paths to build for mobile home trailers. So it won't be long. We'll get out there and be rolling again. You know, but I appreciate everybody's support to the channel, subscribing. If you watch my videos, please subscribe. That helps with everything. And watching the video all the way to the end also helps. And also, anything y'all do, I greatly appreciate it. If we could, if I could get to the point where I could justify some t-shirts and maybe some hats, I will. I got my wife's cousin owns T-shirt City USA down at Dillon, South Carolina. He's very good. He does screen printing. He can do iron on, and that's what I'm gonna try to do, is get my shirts and all to be screen printed, so we can see and all. Or what, you know, I like screen printing better than I do to iron on. I ain't knocking it for nobody. You know, like some things you can't help. You know, some designs you can't help. They have to be, you know, iron on, where others can be screen printed. I should have brought my magnet in here. Wouldn't be having all this trouble. You know, but alright folks, that's gonna wrap it up. We got it, you know, you can see the 3 new bolts down there and all. When that side right there does it, I'll do it like I did this side. This Bucky at home, Bentonville, South Carolina, Carolina Tractor Worx. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you would, subscribe to my channel. I appreciate everybody's support. Please leave a comment if you want to. I appreciate all the feedback anybody wants to give. And I'll even take the ones that want to get on my back and ride hard because of whatever reason. I'll take it all in stride. This is Bucky with Carolina Tractor Worx. Y'all have a great day. Be safe.